Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'm going to show you something which is known as the domino effect, and I'm going to use the domino effect to show what will happen to these plastic bottles which are before me. So let's begin. What if I give a small push to this initial bottle? What will happen to that one, last one? So let me try. Okay, let me give an initial push. So you see, as I give a small push to this initial bottle, the subsequent bottle started falling, and then this bottle triggered this bottle, and then this, and the last one fell instantly. So please come forward. Let us see. So what is this effect called as? This effect is most famously known as the domino effect. And domino is, if you have tiles or bricks and they are square shape, having quite a good amount of mass as compared to these lightly bottles, and even what I showed here is you can even demonstrate the domino effect using this kind of plastic bottles. So basically, what is the physics behind? You see, when I lift this, if I make this bottle straight, that means this bottle carries some amount of GPE, gravitational potential energy. So when the bottle carries some amount of gravitational potential energy, which is being stored here, since it is against the gravity, the moment I give a small push, that is a small force, when the push gives it when the push tries to topple this bottle, it tries to transfer its energy to the next bottle, and then this bottle transfer its energy to the next, and so on and so forth. So this means the energy of the initial bottle gets amplified until and unless in the last case, that is in the last bottle. So here we see, so this domino effect is very useful in energy amplification. So you can use this effect to demonstrate larger bodies of larger mass of even shapes. So that was a very small video regarding the domino effect. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.